In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix keyboard shortcuts are not working in Microsoft Word. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Microsoft Word. Once you've opened it, please proceed to the blank document. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you need to proceed to the top left corner. You can see there an option called File. Click on it. And here in the left pane, proceed with the options. The moment you click on it, you would be able to bring up the word options where here you need to proceed with the language. Click on it. Okay. And here you need to set English as the default language. So by that you need to click on that one, either English Philippines or English US, and go with set as default. Click on yes. Okay. So once you've set it, okay, you need to proceed here at the choose display and help languages. And here you can set match Microsoft Windows or English as your display language. So go with set as default. And the moment you have set it as your default, click on OK button here and check if the problem has been fixed. Okay, so restart your Microsoft Word and check if it's being fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second solution. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So the second and last solution that you can do is that you need to open your Microsoft again. And here, please proceed to the top left corner. You can see their file, click on it, and go with the options. The moment you have opened here the options, please proceed with the customize ribbon, click on it. And here in this customize a ribbon and keyboard shortcuts section, please proceed with the keyboard shortcuts. You can see their customize, click on it. Once you've clicked on it, okay, you'd be able to see this window called customize keyboard. Okay, so there might be keyboard shortcuts here that are being changed accidentally or mistakenly by you, so you need to reset all so that you can restore it to their default settings. So go with reset all and click on the yes button, and once you've set it, close the window, as well as here click on the OK button and then relaunch your Word again. So open it again and check if the problem has been fixed. Okay, now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.